friends. I'm Michelle.
And I'm Steph. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to have you back again for yet another Easter video. Today we're going to show you all of our tips and tricks for creating this fun Pottery Barn inspired tablescape. So for this year for Easter, I decided to use a white tablecloth. This actually is a linen tablecloth and it's not quite big enough for my table. So I'm going to just put it on the diagonal. So I picked up these twig wreaths last fall. They were clearanced and they were 90% off, so I paid about $1 per wreath. I just thought they would be fun instead of a charger, just using the wreath. Gives it the table more of a natural, kind of a rustic look. We just want to make sure that they're up enough that they're not going to be in the way. I'm going to turn this one that way just a little bit. So I'm going to use my wedding china for our Easter table. It's got a little bit of a floral motif to it, and I feel like it feels like spring to me. And it looks pretty with the white tablecloth. For Easter, I think it's a great time to bring out the best dishes and for the celebration. And so I'm going to use actually our crystal goblets along with the china. So I'm going to use my grandmother's vintage silverware just for a little bit of sentiment on the table.
If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends.
So the napkin, I'm going to fold it in half twice, and then we're going to put it in our little napkin ring. And we made these cute little napkin rings from a plastic bunny egg, and then I'm just going to kind of ruche it up a little bit at one end here to thread it through. For the centerpiece, I decided to use my wooden bread bowl, and then I just added some faux lily of the valley, some greenery, and some eggs. We're now going to add some candles in these little glass hurricanes. Hurricane? How do you say that? I say hurricane. Hurricane. Okay. So this hurricane is a Pottery Barn dupe that we will be sharing with you next week. The Brooks Crossbar Hurricane retails for about $80 on Pottery Barn's website, and we made ours for $8 a piece.
Light the candles and enjoy your beautiful Easter tablescape. We hope you enjoyed these ideas for our Pottery Barn inspired tablescape, and we hope that you will subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our weekly videos with more home inspiration. Be sure to watch our other videos on Easter tablescapes for even more inspiration. There are over 80 different amazing ideas. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.